Placing historical events in a space fantasy universe where Earth never even existed is a bit of a challenge, especially when you're trying to place them relative to one another in a timeline that's at least 10,000 years long. But you can't say 10,000 years because they don't count in years. This is a galaxy-spanning empire. They don't count in Earth years. So how do you do this? Well, me and my co-author came up with the idea that since we have a cult of memory in our universe, this cult of memory has an amanuensis, a person that gets elected from the clergy once every Harite lifespan. The Harites are the species that have the cult of memory, and these Harites live around 120 years, more or less. And so once every 120 years, a person gets elected, and they have the task of writing the history of the people, the history of the cosmos. And this is great because it allows us to say, oh, this event happened around the 15th amanuensis or the 20th amanuensis. We and the readers know more or less how many years we're talking about, and so at least we know how much time passed between one specific event and the time of the story in the novel. So yeah, it's a trick, but it works.